Today we are going to discuss the importance of thumbnail sketching in product design. A thumbnail sketch is a very important and foundation step in sketching and drawing. Actually, it's a mental warm-up for any design or ideation. It also called to be a memory sketch. If designer can make a habit of using them, then they will be amazed at how this little exercise can save their time and efforts, as well as our initial design and composition. Thumbnail sketch are usually very small, often only an inch or even smaller than that. Without much emphasis on details, creating thumbnail sketches is a crucial part of a brainstorming aspect of any design work. Thumbnail sketches are done very rapidly with no correction or a very little correction, and a good part is we can use any medium, pencil, pen, or any types of digital medium. So how to draw a thumbnail sketch? Draw a small rectangular shape or square or whatever shape you have in mind. Make it really small, in between 1 to 3 inch across drawing layout. Now start doodling or a rough lines or whatever make up your desired center of interest in the small rectangle. Forget about the details. Identify the main shapes, the main cutout or outline, and go for it. Only add what is necessary to suggest the essential characteristics of the object. We can start with small rough shapes and some rough lines. That's all we need for a thumbnail. Image your subject or a product, then sketch can be of what we can seeing in a physical reality, or it can be drawn purely from our imagination, or it can be a combination of both or anything. Add the supporting mass like lines or a small shapes in the rectangular shape. Keep them very loose and fluid. Add more loose detail into it until the whole piece looks right to you. You can use just 3-tone, light, middle or dark, or even you can even plan rough color placement at this stage. Few tips. Do not pressure yourself, no right or wrong, just draw it. Do focus on the bigger picture, details are not important. Try to think out of box after every new sketch. Do not judge your concepts. Some of your concepts will suck, and that's fine. The point is to get as many ideas down on paper as possible so the good ones become obvious.